There we go. That's nice.
Hey, Bubba.
That's nice.
How are you doing?
Yeah. Remember the bathtub? Yeah. This is nice. We just gotta remember. We don't often give you a bath, that's why we gotta remember it.
Oh.
He's like, what is this bath
That's not true.
about?
Anybody, any state or federal agencies that may be watching?
Peeing again.
Oh no.
He's just on pee high alert today, man.
Oh, that water's so warm and comfortable.
Exactly.
See, this is why I volunteered to operate the camera.
Yes. How is that, buddy? How is that? You know,
He's
of
like,
course.
yeah, Daddy, could you keep it above the waist?
That's right. We are going to haul this out and torture you in 20 years with this video. You know that's going to happen, right? Technology changes, but
That's
shame
right.
and embarrassment never do.
That's right. We gotta get behind those ears in the deep, deep crevices.
Oh! There are deep crevices, aren't there, sweetie? There are deep crevices where the bean is concerned. Fortunately, Mommy's hair is everywhere because she's losing tons of hair since you came. Tons of hair! Oh, you're so sweet, aren't you?
Yes, I'm gonna eat my hands while you bathe me.
That's right. And today is February
4th?
4th, which means that you are almost 4 months old.
Yes.
So this will be the second video production we've done with you.
That's right. Oh, we're keeping up every 2 months.
Exactly.
We're gonna
Every 2 months we'll keep up. Well, that's almost Christmas.
in a few days he gets his SHOTS.
Oh no, not the SHOTS. Oh no, buddy. That's not good,
Okay,
huh?
now blame it on the doctor.
That's not good.
They
Yeah,
must
we're
do it
going to
then.
blame the doctor, not us. Not ever Mommy and Daddy. More hair, sorry, buddy. Let's get underneath those arms, huh? Let's get underneath those arms, huh? Yeah.